फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। एंड आज हम जो कि हमने एक नई सीरीज़ चालू की है आरपीएससी के लिए, यानी कि राजस्थान पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन में जो पोस्ट आई है हमारी योगा एंड प्राकृतिक चिकित्सा अधिकारी की, उसके लिए हमने न्यू सीरीज़ चालू की है। तो ये जो उसका है वो पार्ट 3 है। तो अभी हम जो है जीके पे फोकस कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि राजस्थान पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन का एग्ज़ाम है। तो डेफिनेटली राजस्थान के काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस और सिलेबस में उसको ऐड किया गया है। तो उसके बेसिस पे हम पीवाईक्यूज मतलब प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो अभी डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवर ऑफ राजस्थान इज नॉट इनलैंड? कौन सी जो नदी है वो इनलैंड नहीं है राजस्थान की? कांतली, काकनी, सागी या घाघर? तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है हमारा सागी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द रिवर नॉट फीडिंग सांभार लेक? जो सांभर लेक है उसको कौन सी जो नदी है वो फीड नहीं करती, मतलब उसमें जाके मिलती नहीं है? मेंधा, कंतली, खंडेल या रूपनगढ़? तो इसका जो करेक्ट आप आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज कंतली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, अकॉर्डिंग टू रामसर कन्वेंशन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंचुरी इज सेलेक्टेड एज वेटलैंड? रामसर कन्वेंशन के अकॉर्डिंग कौन सी जो सेंचुरी है उसको वेटलैंड घोषित किया गया है? जैसामंड, कोयला देव या घना, शेरगढ़ या सरिस्का? तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है हमारा कोयला देव नेशनल पार्क को यहाँ पे वेटलैंड घोषित किया गया है। Question number 4. In which of the following basins of Rajasthan maximum ravines are found? Options are Chambal, Middle Mahu, अपर बनस या लूनी? तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वह हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज चंबल में। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कॉज ऑफ डेजर्टिफिकेशन इन राजस्थान? ओवरगेजिंग, डिफॉरेस्टेशन, पॉपुलेशन प्रेशर, सोलार एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन? तो करेक्ट आंसर इज option number D, that is solar energy production is not a cause of desertification in Rajasthan. Question number 6. The length of international boundary of Rajasthan with Pakistan is 1050 kilometer, 1020 kilometer, 1010 kilometer or 1070 kilometer? So the correct answer for this is option number D, that is 1070 kilometer. Question number 7. Which of the following district of Rajasthan is having a common boundary with Madhya Pradesh? भरतपुर, डूंगरपुर, सिरोही या झलवार? तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है हमारा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, झलवार जो है वो मध्य प्रदेश से अपनी सीमा को शेयर करता है। प्लगर फील्ड हैज़ बीन फाउंड फ्रॉम अहर, कालीबंगन, गणेश्वर या बैराट? तो जो कालीबंगन है वहाँ प्लगर फील्ड पाई जाती है। Question number 9. Which of the following objects are not associated with Ahar culture sites? Rice, black and red ware, copper object or painted grey ware? So the correct answer for this is option number D, that is painted grey ware. Which of the following rulers of Pratihar dynasty of Mandor transferred his capital from Mandor to Merita? Kakuk, Rajil, Nagbhat I or Bok? So the correct answer for this is option number C, that is Nagbhat I. Question number 11. In which of the following inscriptions Pratihars have been referred to as Gurjars? Nilgund, Devil, Radhanpur या Karhad? So the codes given for these options are A and D, A, C, D, A, B, C or all. So the correct answer for this is all. Question number 12. Somdeva, author of Lalit Vigraharaj, was at court of which Chauhan emperor? Vigraharaj IV, who is also known as Bisal Dev, Prithviraj I, Someshwar, Arnuraj? So the correct answer for this is Vigraharaj IV, who is also known as Bisal Dev. Question number 13. Which of the following generals of Alauddin Khilji was killed during the attack of Ranthambore in 1300 AD? Ulugh Khan, Nusrat Khan, Jafar Khan or Enil Multani? So the correct answer for this is Nusrat Khan. Question number 14. Who among the following Rajput Sardars fought on the side of Maharana Sangha against Babur in Battle of Khanwa? Raja Burma, who is also known as Idar, Viram Dev Mertia, Rao Bika, or Rao Lundkarn? Choose the correct answer using the codes given below. A and B, B C D, or B D, or A B C D. So the correct answer for this is A and B, that is Raja Bharma and Vikram Dev Mirtiyar. Question number 15. Maharana Pratap made Chavan its capital. It remained the capital of Mewar till 1597, 1605, or 1609, or 1615. So the correct answer for this is 1615. Question number 16. Choose the leaders from the following list who participated in the Bijola peasant movement. Sadhu Sitaram Das, Vijay Singh Patek, Manikyalal Verma, Narayan Ji Patel. Select the correct code 1 and 2, 123, 124, or 1234. So all the members have been participated in Bijola peasants movement. Question number 17. When was the Dungarpur State Prajamandal established? 1943 AD, 1944 AD, 1945 AD, or 1946 AD? So the correct answer for this is 1944 AD. Who among the following was not related to Mahant Pyarelal murder case? Ram Karan, Mohanlal Jalori, Thakur Kesari Singh Barhat, or Somdat Lahiri? So the correct option for this is option number B, that is Mohanlal Jalori was not related to Mahant Pyarelal murder case. Question number 19. Which of the following princely states were included into the Matsya Sangh? Dungarpur, Banswara, or Pratapgarh? Option B, Alwar, Bharatpur, Dholpur, or Karoli. Option number C, Kota, Bundi, Jhalwar. Option number D, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Bikaner, or Jaisalmer. So the correct answer for this is option number B, that is Alwar, Bharatpur, Dholpur, or Karoli. Question number 20. In 1947 AD, Veer Bala Kalibai was martyred in which incident? Punwara incident, Kabja incident, Rastapal incident, or Dabra incident? So the correct option for this is option number C, Rastapal incident, which is a village of Dungarpur. Question number 21. With which sect were Garib Das Ji, Sant Das Ji, Jagannath Ji, Madho Das Ji, etc. were associated? Dadu sect, Lal Dasi sect, Ram Snehi sect, or Jasnathi sect? So the correct answer for this is option number A, that is Dadu sect. Question number 22. Consider the following events: Dabra incident, Nimuchana incident, Chandwal incident, or Mangar Hill massacre. What is the correct chronological sequence of these events? 1 2 4 3, 1 2 3 4, 4 2 3 1, or 3 1 4 2? So the correct sequence is option number C, that is 4 2 3 1. Question number 23. The temple of Sheela Devi is located in which of the following fort? Achalgarh, Kumbhalgarh, Amer, or Mehrangarh? So the correct option for this is Amer. Amer fort has the temple of Sheela Devi. Fort Basanti was built by Rana Pratap, Rana Kumbha, Maharwal, Maharaval Tej Singh, or Bisal Dev. So the correct answer for this is Rana Kumbha. Question number 25. Sitaram, Badan Singh, and Nanak Ram painters were associated with which of the schools of painting? Kishangarh School, Jodhpur School, Bikaner School, or Nathdwar School? So the correct answer for this is option number A, that is Kishangarh School. Question number 26. The district in which the famous Bhatihari fair is held? Jaipur, Bharatpur, Alwar, or Dhausa? So the correct answer for this is Alwar. Question number 27. At which of the following place the main yurs of Bohara community is held? Dargah of Khwaja Sahib at Ajmer, Dargah of Sheikh Salim Chishti at Fatehpur Sikri, Dargah of Baba Fakhruddin at Galiakot, Dargah of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti at Delhi. So the correct answer for this is option number C, that is Dargah of Baba Fakhruddin at Galiakot. Question number 28. Babuji is believed to be an incarnation of Shatrughan, Lakshman, Bharat or Ram? So the correct answer for this is Lakshman. Question number 29. Which of the following texts on music were written by Rana Kumbha? Sangeet Raj, Sangeet Mimasa, Sudh Prabha or Kalanidhi? So the correct code for this is A and B, that is Sangeet Raj and Sangeet Mimasa was written by Rana Kumbha. Which of the following is not correctly matched books and authors? जो लिस्ट वन है उसमें बुक्स दी हुई है और लिस्ट टू में हमारे ऑथर्स के नेम दिए हैं, तो यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि कौन सा करेक्टली मैच नहीं है ये बताना है। तो हाला झालारी कुंडलियाँ बाय ईसरदास, गुण भाषा बाय बरहट, महादेव पार्वती रिवेली बाय शिवदास गदान और ऑप्शन नंबर डी राव जैतसी रो चांद by Bithu Suja. So the correct answer for this is option number C, that is Mahadev Parvati is Riveli was not written by Shivdas Gadan. मदलिया इज वॉन। मदलिया एक टाइप का ऑर्नामेंट होता है जो वहाँ के कल्चरल लोग पहनते हैं, तो वो कहाँ पहना जाता है? ऑप्शन नंबर वन ऑन द आर्म्स, फोरहेड, नेक और wrist. So the correct answer for this is option number C, that is neck. Madliya is worn on neck. Question number 32. In which month is the festival of Kajri Teej, also known as Saturi Teej, is celebrated? Bhado, Chaitra, Posh or Sawan? So the correct answer for this is Bhado. Question number 33. Rajasthan State Finance Commission for Panchayat is mentioned under which article of the Constitution? Article number 243I, Article number 243M, Article number 243B, Article number 243H. So the correct answer for this is Article number 243I. Question number 34. The chairman of Rajasthan Public Service Commission may be suspended by the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, by the Chief Secretary of Rajasthan, by the Governor of Rajasthan, or by the Chief Justice of Rajasthan High Court. So the correct answer for this is option number C, that is by the Governor of Rajasthan. Question number 35. Which Amendment Act of Constitution of India limits the size of Council of Ministers in Rajasthan? 89th Amendment on 2003, 95th Amendment of 2009, 91st Amendment of 2003, 75th Amendment of 1993. So the correct answer for this is 91st Amendment of 2003. Question number 36. Which of the following power is not vested in the governor of Rajasthan to summon the legislative assembly, to adjourn the legislative assembly, to dissolve the legislative assembly, to prorogue the legislative assembly? So the correct answer for this is governor of Rajasthan cannot adjourn the legislative assembly. Question number 37. Among the following, who was the first Chief Secretary of Rajasthan? Kishan Puri, Bhagwat Singh Mehta, S.W. Shiveshkar, or K. Radhakrishnan? So the correct answer for this is option number D, that is K. Radhakrishnan. Question number 38. Department located in the state secretaries in Rajasthan are termed as Executive Department, Administrative Departments, Divisions, or Directorates. So the correct answer for this is option number B, that is administrative departments. Question number 39. Consider the following statements about Rajasthan Public Service Commission. Option number A. The chairman and members of commission hold office for a term of 6 years or until they attain the age of 60 years. Option number B. It was constituted on 1st August 1949. Option number C. No qualifications are prescribed for the members of commission except that one half of the members of the commission except that should be such person who have held office for at least 10 years under central or state government. Option number D. Dr. F.C. Tripathi was the first chairman of the commission. Which of the following statements are correct? So we have to select one or more options. So options given are A, C, D, B, D, C, or B and C. So option number C is the only correct option. Question number 40. The governor of Rajasthan is now addressed under new protocol by the following salutations: Honorable in English and Manniya Rajpal in Hindi, or The most honorable in English and Ati Manya in Hindi, His or Her Excellency in English and Mahamahim in Hindi, His or Her Royal Highness in English and Maharaja Dhiraj in Hindi. So the correct answer for this is honorable, that is option number A, honorable in English and Manya Rajpal in Hindi. Question number 41. The officers to be appointed to the post of Chief Secretary is selected by the following: Governor, Chief Minister, Ministry of Home, or President. The correct answer for this is Chief Minister appoints to the post of Chief Secretary. Question number 42. Which of the following cities hosted the meeting of World Social Forum WSF for the first time in India? Mumbai, New Delhi, Jaipur, or Chennai? So the correct answer for this is Mumbai. Question number 43. Which of the following was not the feature of Government of India Act 1919? A. Bicameral legislature at the center, direct elections, diarchy at the center, law-making power of both central and provincial legislatures. So the correct answer for this is diarchy at the center. Question number 44. How many women MLAs are there as on 1st January 2017 in the present Legislative Assembly of Rajasthan? Option number A 19, 30, option number C 27, or option number D 22. So the correct answer for this is option number C, that is 27. Question number 45. Government of Rajasthan has launched E-Dharti program and it is related to digitalization of revenue maps of all villages of the state, digitalization of all tehsils of the state, installation of cameras at all important places for the safety of women, or a navigation map project like Google Map. So the correct answer is option number A, that is digitalization of revenue maps of all villages of the state. Question number 46. Kishori Shakti Yojana is related to security of the girls, providing financial assistance to the parents for marrying their daughter, improve nutritional and health status of adolescent girls, providing direct financial assistance to the adolescent girls. So option number C is the correct answer, that is improve nutritional and health status of the adolescent girls. Question number 47. 33rd Tri-Services Commanders Conference of the 7th Commands of three Defence Forces of India were held in July 2016 at Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Jaipur, or Jodhpur. So the correct answer for this is option number D, that is Jodhpur. Question number 48. Global Rajasthan Agritech Meet was organized in November 2016 by the government of Rajasthan at Udaipur, Ganganagar, Jaipur, or Sikar. So the correct answer for this is Jaipur. Question number 49. Which Gram Panchayat of Barmar district became recipient of Rajasthan to receive ISO certification? Rohiri, Ranasar, Balewa, or Gangala? So the correct answer for this is option number D, that is Gangala. The state game of Rajasthan is football, kabaddi, basketball, or swimming. So the state game of Rajasthan is basketball. Venue of Indian Junior Open Squash Championship 2016: Jaipur, Delhi, Udaipur, or Patiala. So the correct answer for this is option number A, that is Jaipur. Question number 52. Who was the member of Team India who won World Railway Table Tennis Championship 2016 held at Berlin, Germany? Shubham Ojha from Jaipur, Amit Thanvi from Jodhpur, Kaleem Khan from Churu, or Pankaj Vishwakarma from Ajmer. So the correct answer for this is Pankaj Vishwakarma from Ajmer. So guys, हमने यहाँ पे ये सीरीज़ आज की ख़त्म कर ली है. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक्स पे हम ये वीडियो को बनाएं तो डू comment us and let us know. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.